about diaspora global. It's international network
Selamat malam Ibu Natania.
of West Sumatra.
Saya Eka Tania.
We are very glad to welcome you to this dinner. Delighted. Appreciate you coming. Maybe in this dinner we can share idea, share information, discussion regarding our potential market, or potential investment, or maybe vice versa.
Yeah.
From Bahrain, maybe people can have market access to Bahrain in terms of potential market from the restaurant or something like that. Maybe you can share the information, the ideas about the Indonesian market. And we are also in this mission want to share with you that we have also have the market and for the investment, and maybe in this mission you are also want to attract more tourists from Middle East countries. Bahrain as one of the biggest or the richest Arab countries. West Sumatra is one of the places that may be very attractive for tourists from Middle East, because comparing to other tourist destinations, we have some uniqueness in the places, the culture, and at the same time our tourism is one in hand with the Islamic value, so that as you will make presentation for tomorrow, it's very very good. We need maybe a little information about the seminar that you will present tomorrow regarding halal, halal business, halal tourism, or something, halal economics, right?
Ya.
So we are as women people, we need this information, we need this knowledge on how to make our economic based on Islamic rule, Islamic value, our tourism based on Islamic value, halal tourism. And for your information that West Sumatra, our province, has been awarded as the number one, the halal, the world halal destination in the world. The number one world tourist halal destination in the world. We got the award. Halal province. It's interesting. Maybe you know this information.
You can enjoy the sceneries, but at the same time you don't make any sins. Because everything is halal. We have Professor Irwandi as well. We'll make sure everything is halal.
So,
regarding I will let you finish before I.
yeah,
I can
let me finish. So, maybe in this discussion we can share idea from our professor. He is expert in
Halal science.
He has been awarded King Faisal Nobel Prize. Not so many people can get this very important prize. We have also senator from West Sumatra. She's very active. Travel around the world to get investment from all over the world to attract more tourism to come to our beach. She's very energetic. She's very creative. We are going to support her to become the next in the next round.
Inshallah.
Again.
So we pray for you. Inshallah.
And in this she's also the chairman of Women Business Entrepreneur Association in West Sumatra. She's a big business owner. So she has business. And this is Sylvia. She is a hotel business owner. So this is Linda. She's doing business in mineral water. Dr. Setan and Prof. Asmon.
Yes.
She's also doing business in trade. From her public officer at the Ministry of Trade.
Yes, yes. Previously, livestock.
Livestock. Yes, so Mr. Dr. Inovian Rice, he is a lecturer. Prof. Mr. Geta, this is chairman of World Halal Industry World and Trade Alliance. It's like international alliance of halal industry. The one is professor at the University of
National Islamic University.
Kuala Lumpur. So maybe we want to hear from you a bit information about the presentation of this content before you visit tomorrow. Because maybe some of us will move to Bogor. It's quite far. Okay,
We could send we can put my speech in the group.
Yes, for sure. Yeah.
Maybe you can share
Yes.
information.
This was because 2 pages.
Maybe a little in brief, then 15 minutes.
Actually, the subject is new to me.
Yeah, you can share.
Sheikh Khalid is invited in the capacity as a keynote speaker.
Yeah.
So actually, Sheikh Khalid tomorrow, inshallah, he's going to deliver 2 pages speech, which first we'll discuss about halal supply chain management in general, and later on it will go particularly about Bahrain. Bahrain, as maybe Professor Irwandi is aware of, Bahrain has been ranked as one of the centers of Islamic economy in the world. For several years, Bahrain has been ranked as number 3 by Thomson Reuters in the State of Global Islamic Economy report. And particularly for Islamic finance, Bahrain has been ranked consecutively for number 2 after Malaysia. So if you talk about Islamic finance, then Bahrain is one of the centers. Why? Because the government is fully supportive to the development of Islamic finance. The government is hosting several Islamic finance infrastructure organization, like the Accounting and Auditing Organization for Islamic Financial Institution (AYFI), which is the standard-setting body for the Islamic financial industry, especially making accounting standards, auditing standards, governance standard, and then code of ethics and Sharia standard. AYFI Sharia standards are widely used, and in Indonesia is benchmark. It is a benchmark for BSM and others. When they want to issue any fatwa, they will refer to AYFI Sharia standards. And the home base for AYFI is in Bahrain. Bahrain is also ranked among the top 10 of halal pharmaceutical and cosmetics in the world. And also Bahrain is also ranked in the top 10 for halal media and recreation. So these are the 3 sectors where Bahrain are quite strong. Now Bahrain is trying to promote also halal tourism, similar to Indonesia, because Bahrain is a tiny island. It's just like Singapore, but small but beautiful. It is a small island but beautiful, and it is very attractive to tourists to come to Bahrain, especially from the GCC countries, especially for Saudi Arabian citizen, because when they cross the bridge to Bahrain, it means freedom. It means freedom because
Totally different rules.
totally different rules. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but Bahrain is, has a very open tax-free economy. There is no corporate tax or
Bahrain also,
Please.
Bahrain also offshore financial center.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
We need to learn more from you about the
Actually, Bahrain has
Islamic
been
financial.
established as a financial center since the mid-70s.
Yeah.
But Bahrain is more like Islamic finance hub in the region. Yeah. And it's a gateway to the Gulf region.
Correct.
We can reach all other countries from Bahrain, especially Saudi market. So I would encourage you to consider Bahrain as a gateway to the Saudi market. And I would like one day to visit Western Sumatra. But I don't know whether your government can give some some incentives like in Malaysia if you invest